Today we are going to study the second mode of transport, that is water transport. We had already studied the land transport. Now in today's topic is water transport. And this water transport is the cheapest mean of transport. This water transport, it is cheapest. It is the cheapest means of transport. How you can say that water transport is cheapest mean of transport? Because in road transport there is need of construction of roads. In railway transport there is need of construction of railway lines. In pipeline transportation there is need of arrangement of the pipes. But in water transport there is no need of the construction. There is no investment is required for the construction of the routes. That's why this water transport is the cheapest mean of the transport. And this transport is used to carry heavy goods. It is used to carry heavy goods. This water transport, it is used to carry the heavy goods. And both natural and artificial waterways are used. Both type of waterways, natural and artificial. Natural and artificial, both types of waterways are used for its operation. Means both are used to carry the or transport the goods. And in India, both types of internal and external. In India, both type of internal and external water transport is being carried out. At present, India is having At present, India is having how much kilometer of long internal waterways? Do you know? Don't know. India is having 14,500 किलोमीटर लॉन्ग इंटरनल वाटरवेज. इंडिया का जो इंटरनल वाटरवेज है वो कितना लंबा है? 14,500 किलोमीटर. एंड it includes the river, canals, lakes and narrow bays. तो ये जो इंटरनल वाटरवेज क्या इंक्लूड करता है? इट इंक्लूड्स रिवर, कैनल्स, लेक्स एंड नैरो वेज. जो रिवर्स होते हैं, कैनाल्स होते हैं, लेक्स होते हैं, जिनके थ्रू जो ट्रांसपोर्ट इंडिया के अंदर होता है, दैट इज़ नोन एज इंटरनल. एंड फॉर एक्सटर्नल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सी इज़ यूज्ड. एक्सटर्नल यानी जो बाहर के देशों में ट्रांसपोर्ट किया जाता है, सामान को लेके लिया जाता है, दैट इज़ एक्सटर्नल. एंड फॉर एक्सटर्नल सी इज़ यूज्ड. And for internal transport, what is used? Rivers, canals, lakes are used. And this internal transport, it is very useful in which part? In northeastern states of India. This internal, it is very useful in northeastern states of India. So what is water transport? It is the cheapest means of transport. And why it is the cheapest means of transport? Because in this transportation no construction work is required. There is no need to spend money in the construction. Like there is need to construct the road, maintain the road. In the road transportation, in railway transportation, there is need of construction of the railway lines. But in water transport, there is no need of the construction. And this water transport, it is used to carry heavy materials. And this water transport, it is also environmental friendly, means it is not responsible for the pollution. This is pollution free, it doesn't affect the human being. And in India, both natural and artificial transports are present, means natural and artificial water transports are present in India. And in India, internal and external both types of water transports are being carried out. India is having 14,500 kilometer long internal waterways, and this internal waterway, it is very important in northeastern states of India. Now in India, there are only 10 rivers which are where water is available for whole year. In rest of river, the water is available only in the rainy season. So this river, they cannot be used for whole year, but only these 10 rivers, they are used for whole year for the transportation. And India is having 5 national waterways. How many waterways are there in India? National water. And in India, 5 national waterways are present. How many? 5. All the waterways are not considered national waterways. Only there are 5 national waterways. And what do you mean by national waterways? National waterways are those ways which carries water throughout the year. And in India, there are only 10 riverways where water is available for all 10 years. So how many waterways are there? Sorry, not 5, 10. Total 10 national waterways are present in India. How many national waterways are present in India? 10. And why? Because they carries water throughout the year. और बाकी के जो रिवर्स है, वाटरवेज है, उनमें पूरे साल भर पानी नहीं होता. तो नेशनल वाटरवेज वो वाटरवेज है जिनमें पूरे साल भर पानी रहता है. अभी जैसे इसमें मैप में दिया गया, दिस नेशनल वाटरवे 1, it is 1620 kilometer long. So what is the length of national waterway number 1? Its length is total 1620 kilometer long. So what is the length? 1620 kilometer long. And it is गंगा वाटरवेज. ये कौन सा वाटरवे है? गंगा वाटरवेज. एंड इट इज़ वाटरवे बिटवीन हल्दिया एंड इलाहाबाद. यह कहाँ से कहाँ तक है? पहला वाटरवेज हल्दिया से लेके इलाहाबाद तक. देन सेकेंड नेशनल वाटरवे इज नेशनल वाटरवे नंबर 2. द टोटल लेंथ इज 89 kilometer. So what is total length? 89 kilometer long. And it is Brahmaputra waterway. So national waterway number 2 is Brahmaputra waterway, and it is from Sadia to Dhuwari. Then national waterway number 3, it is 205 kilometer long. ये कितना लंबा है? 205 kilometer long. And it is a long canal. This canal is from Kattapuram to Kollam. कहाँ से कहाँ तक है ये? Kattapuram to Kollam. And it is near the west coast of Kerala. Then national waterway number 4. It is 1100 kilometer long. How much it is? 1100 kilometer long waterways. It is from Kakinada to Bhakanad. Then national waterway number 5. It is 588 kilometer long waterway. So what is the length of waterway number 5? 500